Alright, we just came out of the temple now. Wow, look at the sakuras are blowing. They're falling.
Look, they're on the ground.
They said they're on the ground. Pick them up.
Look.
Pick them up so you can show the camera. Hurry up. Down just far down. Look at him. Oh, Cindy's seen them falling. Wow, look at this river.
They're falling like snow. Look,
Look.
There.
Here they come again.
Wow. They're falling.
Let's go find a big tree we can go on.
Right there. There's another one.
Where?
It's darker. Look.
Oh.
The pink. Look.
Oh. Look. You know what? You can tell they never all fall yet because look at the ground. Still not covered with them yet.
That one not falling. But it's pretty.
Look at that. It's pretty, Cindy said. I'll go take a picture of what's inside with that pretty. You want one with us in the pretty? Huh? Alright, check this out. Blossom out. First time in my life. Wow, first time in my life I ever got touched with sakura blossom. Let me see one small part of this blossom. See this blossom? This blossom. See him? Like this. Home. See? The first one I ever picked in my life. I'm gonna give it to my wife. She gonna put them in her book. Forever. Yeah, I got to one place where I was able to walk to where the water was flowing like a stream on the river. Somewhere in Miyajima Island. Somebody put these rocks here long ago. And I say long ago, I'm telling you, long ago. Because if you look at these rocks, nothing's holding it there. It's just rocks. So I'm sure, over time, water. Yeah. Can you imagine force of water? What it could have done. Anyway, thank you for watching. Aloha. Wow, check this out. We found this house over here with the sakura blossom.
Wow.
Kind of small, but still super pretty. Shot right here, bro. Looking at that sakura blossom from way up high there. Coming down to you on the Saito drone. Alright, where are we?
I don't know, some eating place.
Come on, Cindy, you gotta pronounce.
Green bun.
Look at this is the name of the place.
Miyajima coffee.
Alright, and what did you order?
Soft serve coffee ice cream.
Alright, where is it on the menu?
Right here.
Alright, let's look at that and look at, oh, it looks exactly the same. So, if you come here and you buy this at this place, you're gonna get what you paid for. And it's a beautiful place to have a soft serve.
They finished making it in 1 minute.
And they finished making it in 1 minute. Less than 1 minute.
Yeah.
We counted them and they made it in less than 1 minute. and it appeared exactly how it appeared on the sign that they had posted right outside the door that they had.
Good.
And what was the flavor of
Coffee.
it? Oh, coffee. And how good is
It's good.
It's good. Okay, so film me.
Okay.
And then they've got a little bit. What is this brown?
Grinds.
You look filming yourself.
Oh, coffee grind. Sorry.
Oh,
I'm
she was
sorry.
doing a selfie.
Doing selfie.
Coffee grind.
Coffee grind. Mmm.
Wow.
Wow.
Fantastical.
Fantastical.
Awesome. And then right now we are in Miyajima Island, on the peninsula of Japan. My home. I'm Japanese. This is my home. Aloha, malama pono. There are plenty of these gears over here on the island, Miyajima Island, and they come and they beg for food. And this girl was giving them some freaking banana peels. These guys are going nuts. They're hungry. They'll eat anything. Wow. What ice cream? They're not hooking for ice cream. I know that. Hi, friend. That's a nice friend. Oh, watch out. Dokoisho. Dokoisho. You will pop wheelie, bro. Woohoo. That's old school. Good job. Wow, look at that guy. You gonna truck him for real, bro. That's old school, bro. Not too many guys can do that. You like stay fit and healthy. You can do that job, brother. It's a truck. I mean, even if you go a couple miles, you see the Tory Jeep coming in.